So in the figure below, rectangle ABCD overlaps a circle with AB passing through the center of the circle and DC touching a point S on the circumference of the circle. The area of the shaded part is 1/3 the area of the rectangle. So part A is asking us to find the length of CD over here. So first we can find out what the area of the circle would be. Since the radius of the circle is 7 cm, AD is same as the radius of the circle over here. So we can then find area of this semicircle, which is the shaded part. So they will be taking pi, given as 22/7, times the radius times half, since it's a semicircle. And that will give us an area of 77 for the shaded part. Since this shaded part is 1/3 the rectangle area, so multiplying this by 3, we then have the rectangle area of 231 cm squared. Now, to find the length of CD, it is the length of the rectangle. Since the area of rectangle is 231, we can divide by the breadth of 7, and that gives us our length to be 33 cm for part A. Part B, find the perimeter of the figure. We can first look at the straight portions, which is this, and this. So if we add up the two 7 cms and the two 33 cms, so 7 plus 33 plus 7 plus 33. But notice that this section over here is not part of the overall perimeter, so we will subtract it off. It is the diameter of the circle, so it's twice of 7, so we will subtract off 14. So that will give us 66 for the straight portions of the perimeter. Now we are left with one final arc over here, this curved, which is half of the circumference of the circle. So that will be pi times the radius, which will give half the circumference of the circle. Okay, or you can take pi times diameter divided by 2, it will be the same, and that will give 22. So our final perimeter will be adding up the straight and the curved portions to be 88 cm for part B.